This is test 7, section 9, question 4. So it says, if n is any negative number, which of the following must be positive? So for must be true questions, it doesn't mean which of these things could be true some of the time. It means it has to always be positive. Okay, so let's just make up some numbers that will test in these different scenarios. Okay, so A would be a negative divided by a positive number, which will give you a negative number. So A is out. B is a positive number times a negative number, so that would give you a negative number, so that's out. So this is really just kind of testing your knowledge of the rules about positive and negative. C, it could give you a negative number, so if n was -3, for example, -3 plus 2 would give you -1. If you had -1 plus 2, it would give you a positive number, but since it can give you a negative number, then that can't be the right answer. D has the same kind of problem. It all depends on what the value of n is, because, you know, if n is -4, it's going to give you a negative number. If it's if it's any negative number, now I realize, if it's any negative number, which is what it has to be, then it's going to give you a negative number, so that's out. So E, we know E is the answer, but let's also just carry it out and make sure. Okay, so 2 minus a negative number. Remember, minus a negative number means plus that number. So this converts to plus. So we'd have 2 minus -1, for example. That would be 2 plus 1, which is 3. No matter what the value of n is, since it is negative and it's being subtracted from 2, it's going to become positive. So your ultimate answer will be positive always. So E must be true.